Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my team. My name is Fauzan Yufakosar and my position is technical.
My name is Abdul Farel. My position is SPV.
My name is Arya Krishna Nugraha. I am a technician.
My name is Ananda Dwi Junaidi. My position safety officer.
In here we are going to dialogue with my team to task yesterday.
Okay, team. We have 4 machines for inspect today. We have excavator, we have crane, we have bulldozer, and we have compactor.
Right, don't forget the excavator is scheduled for operation on Wednesday afternoon.
That means we can only inspect in the morning on Thursday.
Let's put in Tuesday. For example, you handle this one.
Got it. Then I can do the crane on Monday. And traction patient and wire rope lubrication.
Sounds good. How about the bulldozer? It needs a blade and undercarriage check.
I can do that on Thursday morning.
Perfect. That leaves the compactor.
Okay, I'll take the compactor on Thursday after the excavator around 10 o'clock.
Don't forget to record all findings and the maintenance log, please.
Agreed. Let's finalize the schedule and make sure everything get right improved.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.